Loch and dú ha mé an Bhunsgoil Dhrochaid a Aonachain, agus get nach Bunsgoil Gàidhlig seo ha mhòr ag na sgoilearan innte. Mar a hí sibh, trád gus an chláin sin tuile man a visit gwis.
Martin ba, hele Danja?
Martin ba, Mrs. T.
Oké, hier gaan we eens Brody. Hoi ba. Oké, hier zo. Afleid. How's it, Alec? Tapeleef. Martin ba. Carisha ha en Chicha Coltach en Jew.
Hi.
Heiflich?
No, hyper.
Hi, Fuhr and Jew. Okay. Do you like Gaelic?
Yeah.
Me. Tell Joy, look, how do you feel a lot of the days in class?
Hamigis broch.
Yes, I like this brok. Still am shin, good more. I like that one as well. Jane Penny Horse.
Is Misha Zara.
I guess Jane Penny Horse.
Is Misha Morven. Jane Tanima Horse.
Is Misha Joy. And I am seeing that you guys do lots of Gaelic in your school. What's your favourite thing to do?
I like talking about the weather.
Do you like any of the words, the weather words?
Yeah, I quite like Greeno.
Grionnagan, that's a fun one, isn't it? What's your favourite?
But sadly, we don't get to say it much around here.
Correct. It is never very Grionnagan. It's always very grot, fluch, fuar. And you were doing a big presentation, weren't you, recently?
Yes, we did it for assembly.
What was that? For anybody that wasn't there and they didn't get to see it.
It was just to remind the school and to make people, more people to use Gaelic a bit more around the school. It could be just asking someone in Gaelic how to say water. Can I please have a cup of water or something? Just to remind them that we want people more to say it around the school than just in their classes and lessons. In Gaelic classes.
Yeah.